He says, Khalid Bhai says that if a war breaks out between Pakistan and India, so how does Huzur foresee the post-war subcontinent? Post-war
situation in both the big powers will be destroyed completely, and I hope it will not turn into an atomic warfare, because atomic warfare is not possible because of a deterrent. Atomic weapons play a deterrent. So in the conventional war, I think both armies are going to suffer heavily, and whatever they have earned so before it in the technology and weaponry, etc., everything will be destroyed.